Now in this question, what will be the remainder when 3 power 333 is divided by 11? Whenever you are required to find the remainder, so you modify the given question such that dividing the numerator by 11 or dividing the numerator by a divisor should give you a remainder of either plus 1 or 0 or minus 1. So you have to carry out the modification such that it gives these as the remainder. So first I am going to identify at what power of 3 I am going to get a remainder of either plus 1 or 0 or minus 1. So let's say I have 3 power 1 when divided by 11. The remainder is going to be 3. When 3 square divided by 11, remainder is going to be 9. When 3 cube divided by 11, remainder is going to be a 5. When 3 power 4 divided by 11, remainder is going to be a 4. When 3 power 5 divided by 11, remainder is going to be 1. So I get a remainder of 1 when 3 power 5 is divided by 11. So this 3 power 333 has to be expressed in terms of 5. So what am I going to do? So 3 power of 5 to the power 66. So that is 3 power 5 written 66 times, and I will be left out with 3 more 3's. And when I divide this by 11, so 3 power 5 is going to give me a remainder of plus 1. So that means I am going to get a remainder of 166 times. So using multiplicative principle of remainder, I can write this as 1 to the power 66, and this is going to be a 27 divided by 11. So 1 to the power 66 is 1, and 1 into 27 is 27 by 11. When I divide 27 by 11, the remainder is going to be 5. So option D is the answer for this question.